Do you have relatives or business associates or just somebody in another country that you wanted to be able to call and have a conversation with? However, there's a language barrier there. A cool new feature is that you can live translate any call with another person so that it will translate it to your language and you can still talk to them natively in the phone app on your iPhone. I'll show you exactly how it works. The first thing we're going to do is tap on the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap on General midway down. Tap on Software Update. You need to update to the latest version. You can see iOS 26 and iOS 26.5 just came out. So update to the latest version. That is one requirement. Another requirement is that you need a fairly new iPhone for this to work. You need an iPhone 15, an iPhone 16, or an iPhone 17 for this to work. You also need to have Apple Intelligence turned on. So tap the back arrow after you've updated. Tap the back arrow again. Tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. And make sure at the top Apple Intelligence is toggled on. So again, you need iOS 26, you need Apple Intelligence turned on, and you need an iPhone 15, 16, or 17. After we've done that, let's hop into it. We're ready to go. Let's just open up the phone app. And I'm just going to make a mock call. I'm going to call my own phone number just to show you how it works. So tap on the call. And when you're in the call, tap on More at the bottom left. Here you can see Live Translation Beta. Translate your voice as you speak. So you can tap on that, and then you can see From. I can choose, I'm going to translate it from, in this case, Spanish is fine, but you can choose French, German, Chinese, Japanese, whatever you want. And then I'm going to translate it to, and I'm going to choose English in this case, and just tap Start Translation. Just like that, anybody that speaks that language, in this case Spanish, will automatically be translated to English in that call so that you can make calls with other people that speak other languages and still be able to have that conversation. Now, keep in mind, on your iPhone, this works on the phone app, but it also works in the FaceTime app as well. So you can hop on a FaceTime call with somebody as long as they have an iPhone, and it will automatically translate for you. Pretty cool feature. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.